2 plates. There are 2 cats. And the second one, second calico cat. Here are 2 cats, and we serve dry cat food, as you can see. Yeah, it's winter, however there is no snow, and as you can hear, there is air raid siren. It means that we have to find a shelter. Just look. Do you like these wonderful cats, stray cats? They're fluffy. Calico cat and probably Dilute Calico cat. Share your thoughts on their breed in the comments. And if you support being kind with stray cats, please thumb up our videos, share our videos to your social media, and subscribe to our channel. A like will attract at least 10 more viewers, and hence more people will be engaged in the process of helping stray cats and dogs, and probably other animals as well. So thanks for watching, and see you later.